This is the periodic table of elements song. There once was a man named Dmitri Mendeleev. He published the first periodic table of elements. Periodic table is organized based on many different characteristics. That's why it's long to make a song about it. The periodic table of elements has 7 rows and 18 columns. Each of the elements is represented by an individual box. In each box there's an atomic mass, an atomic number, and the element's name and symbol. The vertical columns on the table are called groups or families. These elements have similar but not identical characteristics. There are 18 total groups in the table. You can tell the element's properties from the group it's in. The horizontal rows on the tables are periods. They are listed by increased atomic number. Elements in the same period are not very positive. They all show similarities in electronegativity. As you move across this vast long period, you will notice increased ionization energy. Not to make fun or call certain elements bad, but as you move right, the radius gets bigger. If you want to predict the properties of some elements, use the elements that are above and below it. Average the numbers and get your answers just like Mendeleev did when he was beginning. As you can tell, there are many elements. We can't name them because we are stupid. There are few people that can actually do this, just like this guy in our video.
There's antimony, arsenic, aluminum, selenium, and hydrogen, and oxygen, and nitrogen, and rhenium, and nickel, neodymium, neptunium, germanium, and iron, americium, ruthenium, uranium, europium, zirconium, lutetium, vanadium, and lanthanum, and osmium, and astatine, and radium, and gold, protactinium, and indium, and gallium, and iodine, and thorium, and thulium, and thallium. There's yttrium, ytterbium, actinium, rubidium, and boron, gadolinium, niobium, iridium, and strontium, and silicon, and silver, and samarium, and bismuth, bromine, lithium, beryllium, and barium. There's holmium and helium and hafnium and erbium and phosphorus and francium and fluorine and terbium and manganese and mercury, molybdenum, magnesium, dysprosium and scandium and cerium and cesium and lead, praseodymium and platinum, plutonium, palladium, promethium, potassium, polonium and tantalum, technetium, titanium, tellurium and cadmium and calcium and chromium and curium. There's sulfur, californium, and fermium, berkelium, and also mendelevium, einsteinium, nobelium, and argon, krypton, neon, radon, xenon, zinc, and rhodium, and chlorine, carbon, cobalt, copper, tungsten, tin, and sodium. These are the only ones of which the news has come to Harvard. And there may be many others, but they haven't been discovered.